Celsius will be shipping out more than $3 billion to its creditors as its firm's bankruptcy is officially closed. In addition to the money, creditors will receive stock in the recently established mining business of Ionic Digital Inc., the company announced in a statement on Wednesday. After 18 months of bankruptcy court proceedings, around 98% of Celsius Network's creditors approved the deal. Ionic anticipates going public after obtaining all necessary clearances. They claim to have successfully negotiated a settlement with creditors, secured the platform's cryptocurrencies, reorganized the portion of the business that might continue, and resolved legal disputes within the SEC, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, and the US Department of Justice. The company stated that Coinbase and PayPal will be handling the cryptocurrency distribution in a different filing. The debtors' online and mobile applications will be discontinued on or around February 28. Celsius will not make any distributions through these platforms.
According to a court hearing, FTX, the defunct cryptocurrency exchange that Sam Bankman-Fried oversaw, stated that it anticipates paying back all of its clients in full. Unfortunately for those who are waiting for their money, the full recovery of client assets is contingent upon the movement of FTX's true bankruptcy, which occurred at a period of market turmoil. Judge John Dorsey of the United States Bankruptcy Court initially approved that date, but some claimants disagreed. Bitcoin's price has rebounded to more than $43,000 as of now, up from 110% from its price of roughly $20,500 at around the time of FTX's collapse in early November. According to FTX attorney Andrew Diaries, the repayment plan being considered by the US Bankruptcy Court would require claimants to provide documentation that they had and they lost assets on FTX. These submissions would then be reviewed by restructuring advisors. According to the court documents, the defunct exchange has refocused on making its former clients whole and has given up on attempts to rebuild its platform because there aren't enough buyers. As of last fall, data from bankruptcy claims MarketX claims showed that some 15 million people had lost a total of $30 billion to $35 billion worth of different cryptocurrencies as a result of FTX's collapse. Following the announcement of the company's plan, FTX's native token FTT had a spike of over 11%. However, it plunged precipitously and it is currently down over 15% for the day on Wednesday.
Tether Holdings, the company behind the stablecoin Tether USDT, posted record profit during the last quarter of 2023, driven by treasury interest and a strong performance from other assets. It recorded a net profit of $2.85 billion, which includes up to $1 billion in net interest from US Treasuries, while rest contributed by gold and business reserves. Tether employs 125 people, bringing the net profit per employee to $22.8 million in the last quarter. For the year, Tether reported a net profit of $6.2 billion, with $4 billion generated by US Treasury bonds and other non-crypto investments. Tether's total assets under management include $80.3 billion in US Treasuries, $2.8 billion in Bitcoins, $3.5 billion in gold, and $1.5 billion in venture capital investment. Treasuries are debt securities issued by US Department of the Treasury to finance government spendings. The yield on a treasury is essentially a return that investors receive for lending money to the government. In December 2023, the yield for the one-year US Treasury bill was 4.7%. Backed by US government, treasuries are the safest investment in the world. Since 2022, Tether has moved to back its stablecoin with higher quality assets such as T-bills and gold reserves. In September 2023, the company claimed to be among the world's top buyers of US Treasury bills. Tether consolidated its market share in 2023, with USDT tokens representing more than 70% of all stablecoins in circulation. It recently added the US Federal Bureau of Investigation to its platform as part of collaboration effort with law enforcement to monitor and curb illegal activities. Well, that's all in this special segment. For more such updates, watch 3.0TV or log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. Thank you.